We can do 3 or 4. Just to let you know, the top 3 on the menu are